Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a battered Moto G51 5G with a bent frame, cracked display, and a broken spirit. Let's fix it. So we're gonna look around this broken smartphone to see what we can do, and of course we're gonna replace it, the display right away. We're gonna remove the SIM card tray because first thing we're gonna do is pry off the back cover that is wrapping around this smartphone, basically covering it from the back up to the side of the display. There's some clips on the side of the display, so that's where we are gonna start. If you don't remove the SIM card tray before you do this, you're gonna break the SIM card tray because it's gonna attach through the back cover into the internal parts of the smartphone. So it's better to remove it first. We have a problem though. We have adhesives on the camera portion of this smartphone, which I think is very, very curious. So it's not going to be a direct removal process. You can see there, David has already poured some alcohol on the camera part. And you can see that it's attached to the back cover. This is kind of weird. We have a connector, very typical for the fingerprint scanner, what have you, at the back cover. We're gonna remove the screws that covers the main board. Gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna remove the connector for the display because we are gonna test if our replacement display is going to work with this board. I'm gonna push that in. It's gonna be tricky, but David is gonna be able to do just that. We're gonna turn this on, and Motorola logo, Android, everything works well. ThinkShield. There you have it. Something is going on with the display though. It's bouncing up and down, the notification. I don't know what that means. Is it a glitch? A broken display? Still bouncing. So for now, we're gonna remove the display. I think this is okay for now. It's still very dark. David is not gonna waste more time troubleshooting this display at this stage. We're just gonna move on, remove the broken display, and see what we can do. I'm gonna put this replacement display at the side. I'm gonna remove this grounding tape, the tape that covers the ground, I guess. I think this is a different replacement display, not sure. Sometimes it happens though, a broken replacement display. So it's good that you go to your local repair service technician so that they have the extra parts that they can test versus you going through Amazon or eBay ordering displays that may or may not work. Cameras are all working, no problems now. So I guess we now found our working replacement display. We're gonna detach the battery because the connector for the display is underneath the battery, that gold one. I'm gonna massage the battery to straighten it up. I'm gonna peel off the connector for the display. And now we're gonna remove the display from the front part. It's gonna be quick because the frame housing is already bent, so it's somehow created some gaps that we can exploit to make this removal process even faster. Slice through the side, slice through it again, and the display is gonna be off. Say goodbye to the mess that is this broken display. We're gonna clean off the sides for shards of glass and dried up adhesive. You can see the mess that it's creating on our table. So that's gonna be another thing to clean off afterwards. We're just gonna brush it off. Not the screws though. And we're gonna massage the frame so that it bends back straight. We're gonna clean off the sides. Gonna put our own liquid adhesive. We're gonna install the new display by aligning it and then pushing it in. We have our connector. We're gonna route it properly, connect it, and press it in. Make sure the battery goes over it nicely. We're gonna reconnect the battery to the board. And that's it. We're just gonna cover this smartphone up, and this is gonna be a successful repair. If you have any questions, if you want your G51 or any other smartphone to be fixed, have a new display, a new battery, don't hesitate to message David here in Sydney CBD Repair Center. You can also visit us. If you can't visit us in person, you can mail in your broken smartphone. We'll fix it here in the shop, and then once it's fixed, we're gonna send it back to you in proper working order. Just like this Moto G51 5G. Look at that. It's gonna live on for at least 2 years. Thanks for joining, guys. This is successful repair. This is the before and after. That is a very drastic difference. Till next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.